Welcome. In this video I will show you how to remove Siri history on Apple Watch Ultra 3. First of all, you have to open the list of all applications by pressing the digital crown on the right edge of your Apple Watch. Then scroll to the settings app, and in settings application you're gonna have to find Siri settings, then open them. And then scroll down these settings until you find Siri history, tap on it, and then tap delete Siri history, and then confirm by clicking right here. Okay, and after that the Siri history will be deleted. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.